All right, with this video, I'd like to just take you on a quick little tour, okay? If you're new to Live Good and you've joined, sometimes it's good to just go through all the tabs and just explain what the heck they do, what they are, what kind of information you can get by clicking them. And if you have not joined Live Good, or if you're thinking about joining as an affiliate, and that's where, you can buy the products. You can buy them wholesale, especially if you have $10 a month, okay? Because that's all it is to be a member is $9.95, okay? You save a nickel. So for $9.95 a month, all right, you can buy whatever we sell wholesale. And you can resell them on Amazon. You can resell them at a gym, maybe in the back of the trunk of your car, okay? That's what's unique about Live Good, because similar companies, they force you. They say, yes, you have to buy product or you're not going to get commissions. Our company, that's not us, okay? We create the products, all right? We are a wholesale-based company. Sure, you can buy retail if you want. Just go to livegood.com, like walmart.com, Amazon, okay? But how I became a big fan and just a customer is I was buying the products Super Reds and Super Greens. Just buying retail. And then I had a friend a couple months later said, hey, have you looked into Live Good? And I thought basically he meant just as products. And I'm like, yeah, I dig the Super Reds and the Super Greens. I think you can kind of see some of the containers on my little fridge right here if I'm pointing. Right there, Super Reds and Greens and amino acid punch and a lot of cool stuff. But he's all, no, as an affiliate, you can earn money. And I'm like, oh, God, I don't want to do that. I'm not going to buy $200 of products each month so I can get a $200 bonus and make my upline and the owners billionaires, It's like, no, that's not what this company's about, okay? We focus on the membership side, like Amazon. And I'm like, okay, that makes sense because I do like Costco. You join Costco, you save money. If you join Amazon Prime, most people think of free shipping, especially if you're going to buy products every week or every month on Amazon, which a lot of people do, that's for sure. So I was buying Live Good products every month. So when I became a member for that $10 a month, it made sense. All right, no brainer. I was spending $10 a month to save like 40. Then that $40 kept in the back of my mind. If I spend 40, I can become an affiliate, one-time fee. That's it. I don't have to buy products to qualify, to rank up, to get this amount of cash. Okay, it's like if I don't want to buy Live Good products, I don't have to. But if I want to make a video like this or just kind of be a nice cheerleader and say, hey, man, check this out. Go to this link. All right, I can earn commissions. Zero products in my cart. I can still earn money because these products, I have a whole bunch of Live Good products on my little mini fridges over here. And I'm not going to buy the products every single month. Sometimes I might buy more than in 1 month. Like I go through the protein powder way more than any other product because I'm addicted to like chocolate and vanilla protein shakes. I got one right here. But then again, I might forget. And I'm being honest. I think right there I'm pointing that white container. There's the amino acid punch. And I forget I even have it a lot. Okay. So if I don't want to buy amino acid punch for 1 month or 2 months, okay, I just look at the expiration date and it's months and months down the road. All right, then I might not even buy any of the punch. But it's nice that if I make a video or email people or just tell somebody, hey guys, go to joincory.com. And if people want to join the Mighty Live Good, awesome. If they do, I can earn money, even though that amino acid fruit punch sits there for months and months. All right, so I'm a big fan of Live Good, guys. The marketing or the routine, the system I do, it seems to work. I now have 400 people signed up just personally in my group. And then they go get people and so on and so on. And yes, the commissions, they do start stacking up. There's great ways to get paid. And let me just show you in a couple more minutes, okay? Because this is just a short video. Just a little bit of my excitement and my opinion about the almighty Live Good. But the best thing to do is check out the products, okay? Let me shrink up here. All right, there's my business card. I go to Vistaprint. I bought a whole box for $25 plus $5 shipping. I bought joincory.com from GoDaddy. And when you click this, it goes to the Live Good capture page, which you're going to have. People watch a 6-minute video. And if they want to join Live Good, great. If they don't, that's still fine. There's no waste of time. Okay, so this is how I like to promote, is by inviting people to a link. And in my case right here, joincory.com. Now here's the products page. Go through all the products, guys. Take your time. Take like 20 minutes. All right, even buy a little hoodie or a beanie cap from Live Good. Also, go to the FAQ section. See right here off to the side, it says FAQ. Go ahead and click it. All right, look at that. All those questions are answered just by clicking the little links. Then at the very bottom of your cell phone or the bottom of your computer screen, it's going to say pay plan or affiliate pay plan. And this is where I want you to go and read about how we get paid. All right, on the membership side, there's 7 ways. The website's kind of boring here. You can see I'm not going to sit and read it, but this is what I recommend everybody do. Go to the very bottom of the pay plan link and watch this YouTube video. All right, with the pretty girl here, you can't miss her. Hit this YouTube button, boom, and just watch. And it explains everything, how we get paid on the membership side. And then if you don't understand it, watch it 2 or 3 times and then you'll get it, okay? So anyway, please go to the FAQ, the pay plan, and the products. Those 3 things, it gives you more than enough information about the products. And if you want to join as an affiliate, $49.95, guys. If you have $50, come aboard. Just go to the joincory.com and that's it. And you know, it seems to work. Okay. So anyway, thank you for your time. If you have any questions, Cory@CoryDraper.com. That's my email. I've had it almost 40 years. Okay. And let's have some fun. All right. I'm a big fan of Live Good. And thank you for subscribing to my YouTube channel as well. Okay, guys. Have a good day. We'll talk to you soon.